Today I am starting a brand new series on Microsoft Outlook. This series is for everyone, whether you are beginner, intermediate or want to learn advanced tips to become a pro. We will start with the basic like creating your Outlook email and understanding the interface. Then we will move to organizing email using the calendar, task and contact efficiently. Finally, we will cover advanced feature like customizing the quick access toolbar, rules, categories and integration with other Microsoft apps. So if you want to master Outlook from beginner to pro, you are in the right place. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you will know what Outlook is, why it's useful, how to navigate it, customize it and even create your own email account. So first, what is Outlook? Outlook is not just an email app. Think of it as your digital organizer. It helps you manage email, send, receive and organize them. Calendar, schedule meeting, appointment and reminder. Tasks, to-do list with deadline. Contact, store email, phone number and important info. Why is it useful? Because it saves your time and keep everything in one place. No more switching between apps. You can see your email, meeting, tasks and contact all in one screen. It is like having a personal assistant right on your computer. Look at the Outlook interface. When you open it, you will notice a few main sections. Navigation pane on the left, you can switch between mail, calendar, contact and task. Folder pane show inbox, sent item, draft and junk. You can even create your own folders. Message list in the middle. This is where all your email appear. Reading pane on the right, preview email without opening them fully. Ribbon on top, buttons like new email, reply, forward, delete and organize. Status bar at the bottom shows unread email, calendar notification and connection status. Think of the navigation pane as your map, the message list as your mailbox and the ready pane as your preview window. Everything is easy to find and organize logically. Now let's talk about the quick access toolbar. This is a small toolbar at the very top of Outlook where you can add command you use most often like new email, send, receive or print. How to customize it? Click the small arrow at the top left corner. Select more commands. Pick the commands you want and click add OK. Add the commands you use every day. I always keep new email and print here. It saves a lot of time. You can also customize the ribbon. Right click the ribbon, customize ribbon, add or remove tab. This makes your workflow faster and more efficient. Here are some features that will make Outlook really powerful. Folders, organize email by project or topic. Categories and flag, color code email or mark then for follow-up. Rules, automatically sort email into folder or mark as important. Search, use the search bar to find an email instantly. Task and calendar, drag email to create tasks or meeting and track your to-do list. These small tools help you stay organized and never miss an important email or appointment. How to create your Outlook email account? Before using Outlook, you need an account. Here's how to create one. Go to Outlook outlook.com. Click create free account. Type the email you want, like your name at outlook.com. Set a strong password and click next. Enter your first name and last name. Select your country and birthday. Complete the captcha. Done, your Outlook email account is ready. You can now sign in on your computer, phone or tablet, and everything will stay sync. So today we learn what Outlook is and why it's useful, the interface and how to navigate it, quick access toolbar and ribbon customization, powerful feature like folder, categories, rules, search, tasks and calendar integration, and finally how to create your own Outlook email account. In the next video we will dive into sending, organizing and managing email like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lesson.